Ethereum is expected to climb 2.4% tomorrow, per Gov Capital Collector. That's one opinion from the 5 outside sources I've gathered today. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you where each forecast points, how confident it looks, and what kind of return it might offer. And coming up, a batch of short-term 3-day predictions. How this coin snacks up against other by projected gains, and which analyst nailed it last time. All that's still ahead. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. Today, Ethereum has gone down 0.6% and is now sitting around $3,101.54. We now turn to the analyst predictions. Tomorrow, CoinLore sees the price at $3,051, reflecting a drop of about 1.6%. Digital Coin Price expects Ethereum may move lower toward $3,070.09, a decrease of about 1%. 30 Rates notes it could progress to $3,155, a rise close to 1.7%. Another prediction from Gov Capital Collector shows Ethereum could strengthen to $3,174.40, an increase of approximately 2.4%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions targets $3,261.27 by December 15, which would mean a gain of 5.2%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. Now that we've seen the forecasts, here's the breakdown. Looking at the forecasts side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decrease of 1.6% and a gain of 5.2%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out, Crypto Predictions offers the highest projected return, with 5.2% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could receive between $10 and $52 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the odds, Digital Coin Price is number 1 with a 89.6% chance of success. If chasing forecasts across Twitter and Discord isn't your idea of fun, subscribing here is like the shortcut button I've been missing. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. The average outlook positions Ethereum at about $3,142.35. Now, let's go through the numbers. Consensus projections indicate a 1.3% increase by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also advance by 1.3%. A 1,000 position could potentially reflect $13 in growth. And the likelihood of the consensus forecast on Ethereum being realized is placed at 88.1%. To add context, let's check how analysts view the 3-day direction. A bearish outlook is projected by CoinLore, pointing to a decline. Digital Coin Price points to a sideways outlook, where Ethereum drifts without meaningful progress. 30 Rates notes bearish momentum building up. Gov Capital Collector expects an upward trajectory in the short term. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions suggests Ethereum could extend its climb. By combining analyst projections, the consensus underscores an upward bias for Ethereum in the short-term picture. Altogether, 60% of forecasts point toward Ethereum trending lower in the short term. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. In the end, the final outcome was $3,114.47. Yesterday's market showed that only a minority predicted the correct direction. If accuracy is the key factor, 30 Rates ranked first. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. Yesterday showed that only one forecast matched the candle. When it comes to ROI, a handful of positive outcomes emerged, with the best return of 4.3%. Here's the detailed fact check. A side-by-side look at how every forecast turned out. Traders Union's forecast probability stood at 87.5%, with $82.68 accuracy and 4.1% ROI. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. Avalanche takes the lead at 2.1%, while Ethereum sits lower in rank. For now, Ethereum is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more will follow soon on my website and Telegram channel. If this summary saved your time today, give it a like and subscribe to get more analyst reviews here. See you tomorrow!